Matagumpay na nailunsad ang Open Data Philippines sa 3 araw na Good Governance Summit sa Maynila. Ang Open Data ay isang website kung saan maaring makita ng publiko ang mga mahahalagang datos ng gobyerno.
Opening data is about making statistics understandable through the use of reader-friendly visualizations. The more technologically savvy among our countrymen can also make use of available data to participate and create their own visualizations and applications for the use of others.
Mas mabilis mo na ring malalaman kung saan at paano ginugugol ng pamahalaan ang pera ng bayan.
As president, I once thought that I would have access to all kinds of information anytime, every time, and all the time. To a degree, that is true, but it is not as simple as punching a few keys on a keyboard. Sometimes it actually involves wading through documents that are fragile given their age. And that only happens, of course, if you can find out immediately where these documents are located. Open data is a step towards having all information at our fingertips which we can use to better assess, improve, and even develop programs and policies.
Sa nasabing website, may application din na makakatulong sa ating mga kababayan sa pang-araw-araw nilang pagkukommute.
I encourage you to read and familiarize yourself with them. Not only will they give you information that you can use over the next few days, they will also show you how strongly we are committed to living out the principles of integrity, accountability, and transparency. They will also show you that our administration is not in the business of building castles in the air.
Maaari itong ma-access sa www.data.gov.ph. Ako ang inyong kaibigan, Mord Suamar para sa Newsdive.